Alrighty, good evening everyone. Meteorologist Michael Wilhite here with Southern Indiana Weather. Thanks for logging on to this winter storm update the evening here before a major winter storm takes aim at us. It seems almost unfathomable really when you think about it. Here we have radar into motion and we're still in the upper 40s over a chunk of the area at least, and heavy rain expected tonight, but we're going to transition to some heavy snow potential for tomorrow. Some freezing rain and sleet to begin with, and it's not going to be a pretty situation no matter how you look at it. Some heavy rain expected tonight. Temperatures will fall overnight, and we'll get to that here in just a second. We're sponsored tonight by High Voltage Mobile DJ Service. You can give Nathan a call here. Visit him on the web as well at djhighvoltage.com. You can check out some pictures of the services that they can offer for your wedding or your graduation party or family reunion or any number of things. You can see the mobile stage that they offer as well. Click on the contact us button over here and you can get all the information you need to know. Give them a call, 630-9465, and be sure to tell them Southern Indiana Weather sent you. All right. Winter storm warning in effect tonight. We probably ought to go ahead and start here first. It is for the counties, mainly a couple of counties along the Ohio River. Winter storm watch still in effect for area just north of that. Indianapolis Weather Service office has not upgraded anything yet. They're still waiting for the data to roll in tonight, deciding whether they want to go with an advisory or whether they want to go with a warning, depending on how much snow they think is going to fall there. But significant amounts of snow are going to fall. Here is what I'm predicting. You can see a very wide 5 to 10 inch swath of heavy snow along and north and south of the Ohio River. That is where the biggest chunk of this storm is going to take aim. I've got the plus on the end of it there because there could be the potential for some locally higher accumulations in there. Some of these things like that really can't be fine-tuned until we actually see the snow banding set up to get an idea of where it's going to go. But somebody looks like they could end up with the snow jackpot with this. Still some pretty significant accumulations to the north of that, ranging from about 2 to 5 inches as well. So significant winter storm. Expect some major travel impacts over the next couple of days. Now it'll all begin tonight as we just sort of look at future radar. Here is future radar for 2 a.m. tonight, and you can see the purple is sleet and freezing rain mixing in, and so you can see already in our northern tier of counties the high-res radar is saying that this transitions over to a freezing rain event and then to a sleet event and then eventually to a snow. I don't think it's going to be a major freezing rain event, but some minor icing is possible there, and of course that will just add insult to injury with snow coming on top of that as we put this into motion. You can see here we are by 2 a.m. and then watch as we go through the night how this fills up really the rest of the state by the time we get into about 8 a.m. The heavy rain moving down into Kentucky, and it's all changing over to a wintry mix, and it'll eventually change over to a snow event after that. Here's high-res NAM future radar, and it shows you that same thing for tonight as well. Very heavy rain sets in as the temperature starts to fall with a 32-degree line. We'll start to mix in with that. By tomorrow afternoon, some very heavy snow possible over the region, and the high-res NAM is actually spitting out some just obscene totals, really. And really this keeps it through even the late overnight hours into Thursday. So that's something that we're going to have to watch. A very heavy snow event, which is why, as we go back and we look at our snow totals, that's why this 5 to 10 inches is possible, because it's simply going to snow for a good long while tomorrow. Now, yesterday I was worried about a significant sleet accumulation. I'm not quite as worried about that today. I don't think it's going to be as long as some of the models were wanting to hint at yesterday. That's a good thing. I'd rather have the snow than the sleet, but that also means it probably won't cut down as much on the snow totals. So we're going to wait and see at this event right now, but very heavy snow on the way. Be sure to keep it tuned right here to southernindianaweather.com on Facebook. Be sure to like us on Facebook. Be sure to follow us at SouthernINWX on Twitter. Frequent updates tomorrow as we go throughout this storm. Taking a look then at your 10-day forecast, we're going to bottom out around 32, around the freezing mark across the area tonight. Heavy rain overnight. It'll change to some freezing rain and some sleet late during the overnight hours. Temperatures will fall during the day tomorrow, and in fact it's going to get quite cold as we go down to 13 on Wednesday night. Heavy snow, again, accumulations of 5 to 10 inches for a good chunk of us, 2 to 5 in a swath north of that. Winter storm warning in effect. The snow will come to an end sometime on Wednesday night and turn partly cloudy. Then look at this. We're going down to 2 below by the time Thursday night into Friday morning sets up. So a very cold couple of days coming for Thursday and Friday, but we get a rebound after that. No precipitation really in the forecast, and we rebound back up to the 50s, almost to near 60 by the end of the period. So we've got some nicer weather coming, but it's just going to take a little while to get there. Again, folks, be sure to keep it tuned to southernindianaweather.com for the duration of this event, and we'll have frequent updates throughout this. I'm meteorologist Michael Wilhite for Southern Indiana Weather. Have a great night, stay safe, and stay tuned.